Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy V-Bucks with your Paysafecard on your PC. So log into your Fortnite in Epic Games basically right here, and then you'll have to sign in, of course. Once you have signed in, you want to actually select your country and your email address with personal details. So next, you want to go to your Battle Royale right here, and then you want to check out the store. From the store, you will have to go to your V-Bucks, your selected amount, and then you want to purchase it right here. From there, you want to choose your payment method, which is going to be your Paysafecard. The payment is going to be powered by Xsola right here, as you can see. Check it out, and then once you have done that, you'll just have to pay there with the certain amount using your Paysafecard, and you will have to give the details of your Paysafecard, of course, as usual. And it's just that simple to buy V-Bucks on your Paysafecard on your PC.